YD836 Multi-Functional Wireless Glue Remover. All-purpose and multifunctional, deal with all challenges with one click. Pure copper motor, high power, strong torque. USB charging port at the bottom of the body. Supports simultaneous charging and usage, never running out of gear. Large capacity lithium battery, ultra-long battery life, durable and long-lasting. Replace the limited depth cutting head. Used for cutting screen covers. Independent bearings, comfortable grip, support balance, stable cutting. Screen cover with broken corners. Blade depth limit design, cutting at will without damaging the screen. Replace the glue remover needle. Easily deal with large area screen glue removal. Wool polishing head, targeting various residual glue and stubborn hard glue. Multi-functional wireless glue remover.